What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to take out that subwoofer and how to put it back in. So to take off this cover, you could either use a flathead screwdriver, or you could use anything flat, or you can use your hand to pull on this cover just like that, and this cover will come off, and then you could get to the actual speaker part. To take out this speaker, it's going to be 8 screws, and once you get all those screws out, then the speaker is just going to slide out. Once you slide it out, you're going to see this cord right here, and to take this cord off, push in this tab, and then you're going to pull out. It's not hard, but it's hard to do this with one hand. Once you got this cord unplugged, that's all you got to do, and this speaker is out. To put this subwoofer back in here, first thing you need to do is you're gonna take this cord and you're gonna plug it back in. It's super simple. It just plugs in. You don't need to press any tabs or anything. It just plugs in. So once it's plugged in, you're gonna see, when you take your speaker, you're gonna see this little like plastic stick, this little stick right here. You're gonna get that when you put your speaker back up on here. You're gonna take this stick, not this hole, but you're gonna put it in that hole. So once you got your speaker in, you're gonna make sure all the holes are lined up. So when you put your screws back in, everything should be aligned. And then make sure when you put this on, the arrow is pointing up and not down, because when it's pointing down, your speaker is backwards. You don't want your speaker to be backwards. You want to be facing the right way. So make sure everything's aligned, and then you could go ahead and put your screws back in, and so on and so forth. Once you make sure everything is aligned and the holes are aligned where you put your screws, once you got all your screws in, you're gonna take this cover and then you're gonna put the cover back on. So that's how you take out the subwoofer and to put it back in. Hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys on the next one.